Om Shanti. 12th July 2020. Avyakt Babdada Murli. Revised date 22nd February 1986. In the essence, Baba says a spiritual service, altruistic service. Today, the Father, the world benefactor of all souls, is seeing his servant children who are his companions in service. From the beginning, servant children have been Bab Dada's companions. Bab Dada made the children into incognito instruments and has now revealed them to do world service until the end. In the beginning, Father Brahma and the Brahmin children were incognito instruments for service. Now, the Shakti army and Pandav army of the servant children are carrying out a task in front of the world very visibly. Very good zeal and enthusiasm for service can be seen in the majority of children. There has been love for service from the beginning, and that will remain till the end. Brahmin life is a life of service. Brahmin souls cannot survive without service. The elevated method for protecting yourself from Maya and for staying alive is service alone. Service also makes you yogi-yukt. But which service? One is service of the mouth, the service of relating what you have heard. The other is the service of speaking through your mind to become an embodiment of the sweet words you have heard. To serve through your firm altruistic service, service through renunciation and tapasya, altruistic service that is beyond limited desires. Today, Bab Dada was seeing both his right hand server children and his left hand server children. The service of just serving with the mouth is called service simply to please oneself. In order to please everyone, service with the mind and mouth has to take place at the same time. To serve with the mind means to serve with words while in state of man mana bhava. Both types are servers, but there is a difference between the right and the left. The right hand is always an altruistic server. The left hand becomes an instrument for service with the desire of eating one limited fruit of service or other in this birth. That one is an incognito server and the other is a server for name. One moment he does service and the next moment earns a name. Very good, very good. However, you do something now and you instantly eat the fruit. You don't accumulate in your account. An incognito server means an altruistic server. One is an altruistic server and the other is a server wanting a name. Even though an incognito server remains incognito in name at the present time, he remains constantly filled with the happiness of the success. Some children think, I am doing everything, but my name is not mentioned. Whereas the names of those who earn fame in service with external show are mentioned a great deal. However, it is not like that. The sounds from the hearts of those who earn an imperishable name altruistically reaches the heart. It cannot remain hidden. The sparkle of being a true server is definitely visible on his face and his form. If a server for name earns his name here, then although that was done for the future, he ate the fruit and finished it. And so he didn't make the future elevated or imperishable. This is why Bab Dada has a complete record of all the servers. Continue to do service and do not think about earning a name. Think about accumulating. Claim a right to the imperishable fruit. Each of you has come here for an everlasting inheritance. If you eat the fruit of service for a temporary period, then the right to an everlasting inheritance will be reduced. Therefore, remain an altruistic server who is free from temporary desires. Become a right hand and continue to move forward in service. There is greater importance in making incognito donations and doing incognito service. Such a soul would always remain full within himself. He would be a carefree emperor and not be concerned about name or fame. He would be a carefree emperor in this, that is, he would always be seated on the throne of self-respect, not on a throne of limited respect. He is seated on the throne of self-respect and seated on an everlasting throne. He is seated on the throne of eternal and infinite attainment. This is known as being a world benefactor server. Never move backward in attaining success by having ordinary thoughts in the task of world service. Constantly attain success with renunciation and service, and continue to move forward. Do you understand? Who is called a server? So, are all of you servers? Any service that makes your stage fluctuate is not service. Some think that there is a lot of fluctuation in service. There are obstacles in service, and it is service that makes you free from obstacles. However, any service that takes on the form of an obstacle is not service. That would not be called true service. That would only be called service in name. True service is a true diamond. Just as the sparkle of a true diamond can never remain hidden, similarly, true servers are true diamonds. No matter how beautiful the sparkle of an artificial diamond may be, which one is valuable? It is the real diamond that has value. An artificial one doesn't have that value. True servers are invaluable jewels. A true server has value for many births. Service only in name shows a temporary sparkle. Therefore, become a constant server and continue to benefit the world with service. Do you understand what the importance of service is? No one is any less than the other. Each one of you is a special server with your own individual speciality. Do not consider yourself to be any less. Then, after doing something, do not have any desire to earn a name or for yourself. Continue to surrender your service to world benefit. Generally, on the path of devotion, those who are incognito donors, charitable souls, always think that everyone should be for the benefit of everyone. They don't think that there should be something in it for them or that they should receive some fruit. No, let everyone receive the fruit. They would be surrendered to serve everyone. They would not have any desires just for themselves. So, serve everyone in this way. Continue to accumulate in the bank of benefit for everyone. What will you then all become? Altruistic servers. If no one asks about you now, they will ask about you for 2500 years. If someone asks about you for one birth or for 2500 years, which is greater? That is greater, is it not? Remain beyond limited thoughts. Become an unlimited server, a carefree emperor seated on the Father's heart throne, and continue to celebrate in the happiness and pleasure of the confluence age. If any service makes you unhappy, then understand that that is not service. If anything makes you fluctuate or brings you into upheaval, then that is not service. Service is something that makes you fly. Service makes you an emperor of the land without sorrow. You are such servers, are you not? Carefree emperors, emperors of the land without sorrow. Furthermore, success itself follows such souls. They do not chase after success. Success always follows them. Acha, you are making plans for unlimited service, are you not? Plans made for unlimited service with an unlimited stage are easily successful. Double foreign brothers and sisters have made a plan in which they want to ask all souls for a donation of a few minutes of peace, million minutes of peace appeal. This plan you have made for making the world a great donor is good. Whether they do it out of desperation or love, the sanskars of peace will emerge for a short time. Even if they follow a program, at least the sanskars of peace do emerge, because the original religion of souls is peace anyway. You are the children of the ocean of peace. You are also residents of the land of peace. So, even by them bringing that out according to the program, that power of peace will continue to attract them. It is said that even if someone has only tasted something sweet once, then whether they receive something sweet or not, the taste of sweetness that they had will repeatedly pull them. So, this too is like tasting the honey of peace. So, these sanskar of peace will automatically continue to remind them. Therefore, let there gradually be an awakening of peace in souls. This is also giving those souls a donation of peace as well as making them donors. The pure thought that all of you have is that souls should experience peace in whatever way possible. World peace will also be based on peace in souls, will it not? Nature, the elements, also function on the basis of human beings. The elements of nature will become peaceful when souls become aware of peace. Then, it doesn't matter in what way they do that, but they will have at least gone beyond peacelessness, and a minute's peace will continue to attract them again and again. Therefore, you have made a good plan. This is like giving people a little oxygen and enabling them to take a breath of peace. They are in fact unconscious without the breath of peace. Therefore, this plan is like oxygen. Some are able to start breathing a little. Some can be revived with the oxygen. So, first of all, you all have to become peace houses all the time with zeal and enthusiasm and give rays of peace. Then, with the help of your rays of peace and with your thoughts of peace, they will have the thought that they will also do that somehow. However, the vibration of peace of all of you will pull them to right method. This is also the way to show a ray of hope to those who have lost hope. It is a means of creating hope in those who have become hopeless. As much as possible, to whatever extent anyone comes into contact with you, you definitely have to try to tell them about soul conscious peace and peace of mind in a few words, because everyone will definitely have their names added. Even if they do it through correspondence, they will come into connection with you, will they not? They would come into the list, would they not? So, as much as possible, try to clarify in a few words the meaning of peace. A soul can have that awakening in even a minute. Do you understand? All of you like the plan, do you not? Others simply do work just in name, whereas you do real work. Since you are the messengers of peace, the sound from the messengers of peace will echo everywhere, and the angels of peace will continue to be revealed. Simply discuss this amongst yourself and find a word to be added to the word peace, a word that seems different from other worldly things. Others simply do work just in name, whereas you do real work. Since you are the messengers of peace, the sound from the messengers of peace will echo everywhere, and the angels of peace will continue to be revealed. Simply discuss this among yourself and find a word to be added to the word peace, a word that seems different from other worldly things. You must not let go to peace. First of all, you Brahmins have to tie this bracelet on yourselves. Make this promise. Since you Brahmins are thinking of tying this bracelet on them, you will only be able to tie it on others when you first tie this bracelet on yourself. What thought did all of you have for the Golden Jubilee? You had the thought that you would not become a problem, did you not? Continue to underline this again and again. Let it not be that you become a problem and then say that you will not become an embodiment of problems. So, you would like to tie this bracelet, would you not? First of all, on yourself and then on the world. You yourselves are able to make an impact on the world. Acha. Today, it is the turn of Europe. Europe too is very big, is it not? To the extent that Europe is big, do those from Europe also have big hearts? To the extent that there is expansion in Europe, there is essence in service. Where did the spark of destruction emerge from? It emerged from Europe, did it not? So, just as the means of destruction emerged from Europe, similarly, for the task of establishment, special souls from Europe have to be revealed. Just as bombs were initially prepared underground and then put to use, in the same way, such souls are being prepared who are at present incognito and underground. However, they are to be revealed and will continue to be revealed. Just as every country has its own speciality, so there too every place has its own speciality. The instruments from Europe will be useful for glorifying the name. Just as the instruments of science have been useful, so too the instrument from Europe will be instrumental in spreading the sound. It will be Europe that will help in preparing the new world. Things from Europe are always strong. Everyone gives a lot of importance to things from Germany. So two important souls who are instruments for service will continue to be revealed. Do you understand? Europe is no less than anywhere else. The curtain of revelation is now beginning to open. At the right time, you will come on a stage. It is good that you have had very good expansion in a short time and created a very good creation. Now you are giving the water of sustenance to that creation and making it strong. Just as physical things from Europe are strong, so too souls from there will also be specially unshakable and immovable. They will be strong. You are making effort with love, therefore effort is not effort, but you have very good love for service. Wherever there is love, obstacles that come immediately finish and you will continue to receive success. In any case, if you look at the quality of total Europe, it is very good. Brahmins are also IPs. In any case, their IPs Therefore, make the instrument server from Europe even stronger by giving them elevated sustenance filled with love and continue in particular to bring them onto the field of service. The land is one that will bear fruit. Acha, you have this speciality that as soon as you belong to the Father, you begin to make others belong to the Father. You have good courage, and because of this courage, you have the gift that makes service centers continue to expand. Increase the quality and also the quantity. Let there be a balance of the two. The beauty of quantity is different from the beauty of quality. Both are needed. If there is just quality but no quantity, then those who are doing service get tired. This is why both are useful with their own specialities. Both types of service are essential because 9 lakh have to be created. Out of 9 lakh, how many have been created from the foreign lands? 5,000? Acha. At least the number of one kalp has been completed. The foreign lands have the blessing of coming last and going fast, and so you have to go faster than Bharat, because those from Bharat have to work hard to prepare the land. The land abroad is not barren. Here, those who have heard bad things first have to be made good again. There they haven't heard anything bad. They haven't heard anything bad or wrong, and so they are very clean. Those from Bharat first have to clean their slates and then they have to write on them. According to the time, the foreign lands have the blessing of last so fast. So, how many hundreds of thousands will Europe prepare? Just as you have created this program of million minutes of peace, so too prepare a program to create subjects in the same way. Subjects can be created, can they not? If you can collect a million minutes, can you not prepare a million subjects? Baba is saying 100,000 less than a million. He is only asking for 9 lakh. Do you understand what those from Europe have to do? Make preparation with a lot of force. Acha, double foreigners have double luck. In any case, everyone else only has a chance to listen to one Murli, whereas you have received a double chance. You saw the conference and also the Golden Jubilee. You also saw the senior Dadis. You saw Ganga, Jamuna, Godavari, Brahmaputra, etc. 4 main rivers of India. You saw all the senior Dadis, did you not? Take one speciality from each Dadi as a gift and those will be useful. Go with your apron filled with the gifts of the specialities. The customs people will not stop you with these gifts. Acha. To the elevated souls who are constant world benefactors and true servers, instruments for world service, to the special souls who always attain the bright birthright of success, to the souls who are close and through their form remind others of their own form, to those who always become altruistic servers in an unlimited way and fly in the flying stage, to the double light children, Bab Dada's love, remembrance and namaste. Spiritual children in return to the spiritual father says, good morning, namaste, namaste, namaste. Blessing. May you be a master bestower of liberation and salvation who distributes the holy offering of liberation and salvation through your angelic form. May you be a master bestower of liberation and salvation who distributes the holy offering of liberation and salvation through your angelic form. At present, all souls of the world are crying out because of adverse situations. Some because everything is expensive. Some crying out physically with their mouths. some because of physical illness, some because of peacelessness in their minds. Everyone's vision is going to the Tower of Peace. Everyone is watching to see when there will be the cries of victory after the cries of distress. So, now with your physical angelic form, remove the sorrow of the world, be a master bestower of liberation and salvation, and give the devotees the holy offering, prasad of liberation and salvation. Slogan: only those who put into practical form Bap Dada's every order become an example. Only those who put into practical form Bap Dada's every order become an example. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba. Thank you.